Hi, to reset settings of your OnePlus Nord free, we will need to open settings first. Here we need to go in the additional settings, and after that scroll to the end to see this backup and reset option. So now simply select reset phone, and now you would need to confirm everything by choosing this reset all settings. So now just enter lock screen password, and after that confirm that you want to reset all of these settings and just bring them back to their defaults. And now it is resetting, so we are simply waiting, and the system settings have been reset. So if you want to erase all data, you just need to select this option, and then your phone will be brought back to the factory settings and you need to set it up once more. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.